stand on your own 2 feet? What do I mean by that? Well, simple question, are you standing on your own 2 feet correctly? And probably not. Most of us are standing incorrectly, and that's the reason why we end up with hip replacements, knee replacements, and ankle problems. So let's get on and learn how to stand correctly on our own 2 feet. So here we have our 2 feet. Right, let's have a look at them. Most people are standing like that, okay? So they've dropped their arches and they've got their weight on the big toe and the inside of the foot. The outside of the foot isn't often not touching the floor, and also we put a lot of weight on our toes. So we stand with our weight on our toes. For that reason, if you watch when you bend your knees, look what happens to them. See how they're traveling? They're traveling incorrectly, and that's the reason why we end up with knee injuries. And it's all based down here in the ankle. Can you see? Right, so how do we fix this? Right, well, it's a 3-point stance, okay? So big toe, baby toe, heel. That's what you do. You put your big toe on the floor, put your baby toe on the floor, and your heel. So look what happens to my ankles when I think baby toe, all right? So I'm lifting my ankle bones and putting my weight into the outside of the foot, the big toe, and the heel, and not just favoring the inside, which is comfortable and, well, lazy, okay? So you need to start looking down at your feet and go, can I stand on them correctly? Put my big toe on the floor, my baby toe, my heel. Good. Right, okay. Now, where do you put your weight? You put your weight, you don't stand on your toes with your hips like that forward, okay? You get into the middle of the foot. Right. So I've got drop. So instead of doing this, I'm now doing this. Can you see the difference? It's very, very different. And so now, when you are standing big toe, baby toe, heel, and you bend your knees will travel forward over the toes. Can you see the alignment is correct? And that is what I mean by can you stand on your own 2 feet. So girls, please have a look and check that you are doing it correctly. Look down at yourself. Make sure that your feet are hip distance apart. Go big toe, baby toe, heel. All right? Make sure your weight's in the middle to the back of the foot, not on your toes. Okay. Give it a go.